Check this out, guys. We just made it to my boy Dandy's pop-up meet, or pop-up meet. It looks like a freaking meet, but it's actually a pop-up shop for his hats. He brought all the whips out. Now I can finally show you guys all his cars. So we got the orange COLTON out here. God damn. Kevin will go crazy for this, bro. Kicks brought the G82 out. Fast boys. I need those. Eventually, probably, once we tune the car and everything. We might have to be honest. It's just so clean, huh? And Dandy brought all the freaking cars out, bro. The GTR with the TEs, the freaking Huracan Evo, Corvette Z06, the TRX, the Urus, the G-Wagon. My boy got everything. I know, literally matches my shoes on. Damn, I need a picture of it with the Lambo. I'm gonna pretend it's me. Literally goals, bro. And motivation, dude. This shit insane. He has everyone's dream cars. And he told me that he's picking up something very soon, so stay tuned for that. All right, we made it. Now it's hella packed. If you guys remember yesterday, I don't know what vlog it was in, but we came here yesterday. We actually watched the UFC fight here, and it was empty. Now it's packed, bro. They got a line around the whole building. Insane. Look at my boy over there. My boy's famous. Whoa, look how much these foods bought, dude. What's up, food?
What's up,
You're
bro?
famous today.
Bro, not like you,
Damn.
bro. Hey, how you doing?
Hi, how are you?
This has got hella, bro. We sold out the whole store. There's literally all G80s everywhere. G80's taking over the world, bro. This one's insane. My boy Eddie's. The color's sick. It's kind of like the mint green that I wanted to do, huh? A little bit. It's way different. It has like a gold flake to it. But it's super freaking sick. And it's hella fast, too. I think we raced him in the GTR like the other day at that PQ cruise. I got gapped. God damn. That shit loud, bro. Boy, that color's beautiful. I should do this. Yeah. But I can't copy it, bro. But if you didn't have this color, I for sure probably would have done it. That's a nice ass blue, bro. It's literally like teal, like mint, but with like a pearl in it. Nah, that shit hella nice, bro. This red one's fire. I had to come look at it. The carbon hood. Oh, the carbon hood is so fire. I want to do a hood, guys. And he got the wing, same wing as Kicks. Literally Kicks' car in red, bro. It's just so fast. I love the wheel setup too. It's literally perfect. I do kind of want to wrap my car red. Mr. State Ref. That shit is sick, bro. At one point I wanted a Z01 too. Guys, I don't want way too many cars, huh? Like right now, I need this, I need that, I need one of these, I need one of these. One day we'll have a garage setup like this, bro. Oh my God. It's gas boost. Guys, it was about to be so bad right now. I left the camera on my roof, on the carbon roof, and I was about to take off. And Kicks freaking ran up to the car and he was like, wait, and he grabbed it from me. Bro, I swear I almost drove off right now, dude. And I was about to take off. The camera would have went flying. Oh my God. That would have been so bad, dude. Damn. Look at all the G80s, bro. There's so many. I guess I brought the right car today. I almost brought the GTR, but I knew it was gonna be a bunch of BMWs. But they're really all matching. It looks so crazy on the streets. I've never seen them all out like this at once. He just lets all the homies drive them, bro. Well, the M4's clean with that wing. Like, I feel like the M4 needs that spoiler. Just seeing all the blue cars on the freeway is so sick. Like, I want a bunch of the same color cars too, bro. And he just lets all the homies drive them. Like, what the heck? I swear, if I had this many cars, I would let all the homies drive them too. I was like, everyone grab a key, bro. But no one's touching my SVJ though. Bro, who is this, bro? I hear 2JZ. Bro, look at the engine bay, bro. What the fuck? Look at the engine, bro. No way, bro. I told you people are gonna wild out. Oh my god, people are getting crazy. Oh my god, bro. These fools are crazy. Oh my god, bro. We're gonna get smacked, Hugo. What the?
Oh my god.
Oh
my god, bro.
Get in the car. Bro, don't go flying, Hugo.
Try not to, brother.
There's no way, bro.
Damn.
Oh hell no, you go. Oh hell no. We gotta get out of here, bro.
Bro, you're gonna have to fly, bro. You see if I need to pay.
You see the freaking bread toast go over there? Bro, alright, these fools are tripping, bro. What the fuck is
going on, bro?
What the
Bro, look at this.
Bro, what do we do?
Put him in the middle. Put that in the middle.
Oh, bro, hell no. I'm ready to jump out of here. That car's too big, bro.
I'm ready to jump back.
Me too. I'm about to hop over this. Oh, hell no, bro.
Bro, that's a little bit too back. I want to see this.
Well, there's no way you're gonna drift the M5CS, bro. There's no way.
Everybody's tripping out too.
Bro, there's no way he's drifting this car.
Almost did.
Bro, he's
dead in the middle,
whipping the M5CS like that. Bro, he's literally drifting an M5CS. Dude, there's no way. You go. Bro. Oh my. He did the corner. Bro, I don't know what we're filming at this point, guys. That's a big old boat, bro. Oh, hell no. Nah. Hell no, bro. You go. Fuck that. Bro, that thing is too big, bro. Tripping, guys. There's literally like over 1,000 people here, bro. Oh my god. No way, bro. Damn, dude, that just sounds sick.
I'll trust the G80 all day. The G80, I'll trust it all day.
So many people are here. I don't know how the cops haven't came yet. There's no way. No way he's in a U-Haul. This was wilding out. Oh my.
Bro, imagine renting that U-Haul truck. This shit is a fried meat, bro.
I don't know why you hosted this.
Fried egg. You. Nah, this is tripping, bro.
This guy in the M5 is wilding, bro. M5 CS just doing it over and over. I already missed it, but he's went like 5 more times after this. Oh, hell no. I don't know how there's no cops, bro. Like, everyone's doing donuts. There's people over there, people over here. Someone's doing a burnout over there. I don't understand, dude. And they've been at it for at least 30 minutes, bro. Like, the M5 CS is going again, dude. I don't even know how he has tires left. God, bro. He's freaking crazy. This shit gonna smoke the whole place up. dude.
All these cars are clapped. Imagine you buying the M5 CS, bro. Think you're gonna buy a new M5 CS? It probably does have low
Honestly,
mileage. Let's just say it does have low mileage right now.
Don't ever buy a freaking BMW used.
Let's just say it has 10K miles on it, whatever.
You know about a used BMW?
Me?
Yeah.
I know. Oh my, they're gonna hit you, bro.
Bro, I swear to God, I'll fucking sue them. It's got this.
Bro, he's drifting the convertible one, bro. Look, even convertibles aren't safe.
Yeah. You're thinking of grandma's car and you're not safe.
Even U-Haul's not safe.
Yeah, you're renting a U-Haul.
Drifting the E36 over here. No way. Bro, do you guys see how crazy this is? Like, there's stuff happening over here, stuff over there. Oh, there's cops. Oh, there's cops. After like an hour, bro. Oh, now everyone's running like it's Fast and Furious. Look, everybody. And guys, again, I don't condone this stuff. I say it in all the vlogs that get like this. I don't condone it, bro. I've not filmed this stuff in a very long time, but I'm here. Might as well film it. If anything, I'm just news reporting this, alright? I don't condone this at all, bro. I'm just here filming the content for you guys, bro. I think they're just as fried as you guys. Alright guys, well, it's probably gonna end it here. Cops are here.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26.